What's up, online shoppers? Maybe you're in the market for a new phone, but you don't want to buy it at full price and you're okay with purchasing a refurbished product. So let's talk about what it's like to buy yourself a refurbished iPhone. Now, I've got myself an iPhone 15 here and I want to show you what it looks like when you order a refurbished product so you can put yourself in my shoes and decide if that's the kind of an iPhone that you want to buy. The thing is, brand new isn't the only way to get something really amazing. And in my family, we've always made a habit of purchasing excellent condition refurbished phones because we're getting it for lots less than we would have spent if we bought it directly from another source. Now let's take it out and see what you get. When you order a refurbished phone, it's going to ship in a generic box, kind of like this, and they're going to send you the basic accessories that you would get with whatever the phone is you purchased. So I have a brand new cable right here for connecting. I also have the phone. It is set up on this piece of paper right here. There's the back of the phone. You can see that it is in really nice shape, and if I take off this little sticker here, you've got the front of it as well. There's no visible scratches or marks. This one we purchased was in excellent condition and it has been shined up really nice. And let's talk about the actual features of this phone now. Now, refurbished means it's been thoroughly inspected, tested, cleaned, and certified to be working, and the refurbisher says that it's going to work just like new. You still get that fresh premium feel, but without the eye-watering price tag. Now let's talk about the first feature, charging. The first win in the 15 is the USB-C, which is one basic cord to charge your AirPods, maybe even your laptop. No more digging around for the old cables because this one is multi-purpose. Second main feature with the iPhone 15 is Dynamic Island and A16 Bionic chip. What does that mean? The Dynamic Island is more than just a fancy blob on your phone. It's like a smart hub for alerts and music. And the A16 Bionic chip, well, that's something pretty special too. It's pro level speed and everything then runs buttery smooth. Another unique feature with the iPhone 15 is the 48 megapixel camera. Like, don't forget the camera. 48 megapixels means you are going to get crisp, colorful shots in any light. You want to take pictures of northern lights? This is your favorite phone. You want to take pictures in low light conditions? This is your favorite phone. You want to take pictures and do all kinds of fun editing things with them? This is your favorite phone. It might even be like carrying a DSLR without the neck pain and the neck strap. So if you want flagship features without flagship prices, purchasing your iPhone as a refurbished phone in good, excellent, or used condition can definitely get you more for your money. Refurbished means the phone is in very good shape with a few minor cosmetic issues, but you are going to get a battery that's fully refurbished and fresh, and it's definitely going to meet Apple's performance standards. If all those things appeal to you, then the Apple 15 refurbished is definitely a no-brainer choice for you. Same stunning display, same pro-grade camera, same all-day battery, just smarter spending, and that's the beauty of giving tech like this a second life. And that's why we love refurbished phones, and they're family favorites at our house.